At OXO, we are obsessive about details, even on items that are as simple as a dish brush. The OXO dish brush has durable nylon bristles that are safe for nonstick cookware. For hard-to-free, baked-on foods, the back of the brush head features a durable scraper that is also safe for nonstick surfaces. A soft, non-slip handle provides a secure grip, even when wet. Here's a good tip. The OXO dish brush is also great for cleaning grout in other areas of your home that require a little extra elbow grease. OXO brushes are a must-have for cleaning up after a great meal, but now we've also solved the problem of how to store it. OXO has paired the soap dispensing dish brush with a handy holder that keeps it ready to go for your next dirty dish. For the brush, simply unscrew the bottom and fill with your favorite soap. The pump will dispense just the right amount of soap. Durable nylon bristles scrub away food and grease, and a built-in scraper on the back easily removes baked-on food. The companion holder stores the brush upright and neatly catches excess water, keeping the handle dry and the brush conveniently within reach. The holder features a built-in pour spout to keep your counters clean and dry, and a removable drip tray. There's also a non-skid base that keeps the holder right where you need it. The brush and scraper are safe to use on nonstick cookware, and you can even replace the brush head. Here's a good tip. Instead of relying on gravity, our dish brushes use air pressure to dispense soap with a light push, even when they're near empty. At OXO, we believe that cleaning up after a dinner party should be as pain-free as possible, so you don't second-guess having your next soiree. The OXO bottle brush features two types of bristles: long, soft bristles for gentle cleaning, and shorter, tougher bristles for scrubbing. The durable neck flexes for easy reach inside bottles, and its soft handle is non-slip even under running water. Our brush is safe for stemware, as well as baby bottles, water bottles, and other delicate containers. Here's a good tip. One Oxonian reaches for the bottle brush when cleaning residue out of thin-necked vases. Another uses it for water bottles with small openings.